Alright, yo, what is up, y'all? Today should be a pretty interesting video. I hope you guys like it. I mean, you should like it, really. Some of you guys may know, some of you guys may not know. Some of you guys may have seen her truck before on, like, maybe her Instagram or just, like, trucking accounts, because that shit's everywhere. It's a huge, like, I think it's 17-inch lift, 4-link Duramax on 16 wides, and I think 40s. It's a girl I know's truck, and I'm going to meet up with her at my friend's house, and I'm gonna give you guys, like, well, I'm gonna have her give you guys a whole overview of the entire truck, everything done to it, and maybe a ride along, maybe, I'm not sure. But it should be a good video. If you guys like her truck, you should like her truck. That thing is insane. But I'm on my way to my friend's house right now. Probably gonna grab some food and then make my way over there. She said she's washing her truck there now, so I might get there while she's washing her truck, or she might be done by the time I get there. I'm not sure, but I'll get back to y'all when I get there, and I might just honestly start the video from her going over the truck right as I get there. Not too sure, but I'll see y'all when I get there. Alright, y'all, here's a 2006 LBZ DURAMAX on a 18-inch 4-link lift. It has 24x16 specialty forged on 40x1550 Nitto trail grapplers. It has amp steps, rock lights all underneath. It has horn blaster train horns. Not exactly sure what kind of horns they are. It has a Gen Y drop hitch, huge drop hitch. Mag high-tech diff covers. It has aftermarket rear tail lights. Not exactly sure what kind they are, but it has an AOW tip. This is a super sick tip. She says she dropped it, like the pipe fell off the truck going 70 miles an hour on a highway, and that dent right there is all that happened to this tip. It's a 5-inch straight bite from the turbo back. Huge coilovers. It has Speed Tech flag holders, I think she said. Amp steps, like I said already. Huge wheels. Pretty much, I'm gonna say 35% tin on the front and 5 on the back. Not 100% sure on that. It has move front bumper, Grill Tech grill, aftermarket headlights, aux beam small light bars, and a Light Fox huge front light bar. It has, I can't think of what that's called right now. We were just talking about it, but I can't think of what it's called. But it's like a steering assist. It's on, I'm pretty sure it's on spacers. I want to say 1.5 or 2-inch spacers on 16 wides. It has a 66mm turbo under the hood. It was built by some guy in Florida, and it's all powder coated this nice gold. Right now it's on a Bluetooth drive shaft, but yeah, it's pretty sick. On the inside, it has amp steps also. It's got a SCT, I want to say, live thing. It's got trailer brakes right there. It has the Rolls-Royce headliner in there. It's got a nice ass Alpine screen. This thing is massive to get into. Amp steps again. And that's pretty much it. I'll give you guys some like rollers and some like clips of it riding. And I want to say one of the huge sponsors on this truck is Bad Boys Redneck Off-Road. And this is one of my friend's trucks, so I'll drop all her social medias in the description and everything. Here's her Instagram right here, Duramax_Daisy, and I'll put her Snapchat, and if she has anything else, I'll make sure to put that. But yeah, this thing's pretty sick. Not sure if I said it already, but has a 66mm turbo under the hood. And yeah, so I'll give you guys some nice shots on this road we're gonna go to, and some rollers probably, and just a ride along maybe. So here's the Starlight headliner on. It's pretty sick actually. She said she did it herself. It took like 6 hours to do. And she just bought all the lights off Amazon. And supposedly it's not that bad of a process, but I think it's well worth it. It's pretty sick. It's got like suede headliner too. All right, she's gonna give you guys a start up right now.